wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this beautiful knotless boss braids, and this is the hair I'm gonna be using. Like, can you see this extension? Can you see this color? It's given. This dark brown is everything. This is the color 4, and it's very soft. And for long lasting braids, I'm gonna be using my shine and jam. And if there is any other extra hold conditioning gel out there more better than shine and jam, please do let me know in the comment section. I love shine and jam, but I would still like to try something that is more better than this if it's out there, because my hair is very full and thick. I need something that will make it easy for me to braid the hair. Like, braiding your hair by yourself is a whole lot of work, especially when it's this full and thick. From the back, I'm going to section out some amount of hair and then braid it. I know some people like to section all the hair first before they start braiding it, but I don't like to do that. I'm going to section and braid it, section and braid it, section and braid it. That is how I like to braid my hair. Now I'm gonna stop talking and let you enjoy watching this video, because I feel like I've explained everything there is to explain about this video. It's just simple knotless boss braid video. So, and if you have any question, please leave it down in the comment section, and please help me to share this video to your friends and your family. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And please let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hit you? Got me. you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you, I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me. Yeah, me, got me, got me. Can I hear you? Got me. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. Hey you, I could become the one for